What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage. We got the Bmw E30 back here, and we're gonna do a little bit of upgrades on the headlights. I know how you guys like this type of thing, so stay tuned. So we are going to install these bad boys. Now, a company approached me and said, hey, how would you like to install some of these LED lights? And I said, yeah, sure, why not? I actually kind of already had some of those old Auxbeams in the low beams of the car. So what we're gonna do is try these guys out. I turned down a lot of these companies for sending these type of things out, but they seem kind of cool. They were in California, which made me feel a little bit better about it. They weren't just like, you know, your normal like place out of wherever, China, something like that. Now, not to say that these are not made in China, they may be, not really sure. 4,000 lumens. Overall, the packaging looks pretty decent. Looks like you can rotate them. Kind of a standard setup from most of these that I've seen. They have like a little ballast on them, and which ones are these? These are the 9005s, so I forget if that's the high or the low beam. I only have aux beams in the low beams right here. Now, a little bit of a review, a little bit of past history. Those aux beams, they did go out on me. Those guys sent those to me. So if you guys purchased those, well, that sucks if the same thing happened to you. Sorry about that, but they're pretty inexpensive lights. So I did replace one set at one point, and they've been working good. But we're gonna upgrade these bad boys. So something cool on these JDM Star brand ones is it actually looks like this little ballast piece has some writing on it, you know, with their own brand and that sort of thing. So overall, quality looks pretty decent, you know, pretty much your standardness with the, looks like 4 LEDs on each side here. So yeah, I'm interested to see how these fit, and then we'll wait a little bit later and see how they look. Also, something that's kind of neat about these that I haven't noticed about any other ones is you can actually unscrew this little piece right here for the orientation so that you can rotate the beam. That is that's kind of cool. So you can actually adjust the low beam. I like that a lot. I'm gonna pop the hood and throw these lights in. Very easy installation in an E30 or really any car. We're gonna pop the hood, pop off the little cover, pop out the old light, pop in the new light, and be good to go. So this side is really easy to show, guys. All you gotta do is just pop off these little things right here. You take this out. Oh my God, I dropped my little piece, so maybe it's not that easy. Here's my old aux beams right here, which I am going to replace right now. Just unscrew it. As you can see, these ones just basically have like one bigger LED, and then they have the like little ballast piece. So let's pop that off of there. Super easy. And that is the stock, you know, the stock plug that you have from the factory. And then for the high beams here, just twist that one out, and there's the plug for that. Take that one off as well. Very simple. Obviously, light bulb change is pretty dang easy. Now in my car, I have the ellipsodes or whatever they're called. So the 9005 is the high beam here, so we're gonna put that in first. Okay, that looks good. And you take this ballast. Now I'll probably like strap this down, just zip tie it to something. That way it's all good to go, but I mean, overall that looks pretty good. Looks like it has like a little seal right here that's nice. So that actually keeps that together, so that's actually really cool. Okay. And you get to plug this guy in here, and we'll see if the polarity is correct. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn the lights on. High beams, all right, high beams are on. So that looks very bright. I'm just gonna compare it in the sunlight. As you can see, super yellow, obviously, because not LED. Boom, this guy right here. It's looking good, nice and bright white. There's my Auxbeam ones. We'll show you these at night. That's the stock Auxbeam. Oh. And then, oh, it's unplugged. Never mind, it's unplugged. We're putting the 9006s in the lows right here. First thoughts on this. Polarity works on both sides, so that's awesome. None of that backwards crap. The little tab clicked in, so good on you for that. As far as brightness goes, let me stare into this bulb. The Auxbeam's beam is kind of spread out a little bit differently. It's like here and here. This one, I don't know, gonna have to look at them at night, but this actually does look a little bit brighter, so very cool. And then obviously the high beams are brighter. So let's get back to you guys when it's nighttime. I'm gonna show you how this little mod looks. But if you actually want to win something from me, I guess within this week of posting it, what I'll do is I'll put down an Instagram post. You can follow me at Blake's Garage. You gotta tag 2 people on that particular post. It'll have instructions, you guys will see it, and you can actually win some backup lights. So those would be super cool, super nice and bright, a very easy mod to do, and yeah. Oh yeah, and follow JDM Star. It is nighttime, as you can see. The E30 is just chilling. Let's go ahead and turn on those lights and see how they look and compare them. We got the incandescent right here, just the normal guy. Not very bright, very, very yellow. There's the Auxbeam right there. And, you know, it looks pretty dang bright, in my opinion. My eyes are pretty blinded. Oh, Jesus. Actually, I'm like not even kidding, guys. I'm doing the blind me test. As far as the blind me test goes, the blind me test, this one, the new one is definitely a lot more. So, okay, that's at an F22, all right? These are the new ones right here, and this is the high beam right here, all right? So, yeah, I don't know. Can you tell if that one's duller? I don't know if you can, but I think it's much duller right there. I don't know. Let me know, guys, what you think. As far as color tone goes, color tone is about the same on the Auxbeam JDM Star, in my opinion. Yeah, cool. That's my test. They look pretty bright. They look good. I'm happy with them. And yeah, pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try these lights out. If I have any issues with them, I'll let you guys know. The high beams look great. That is very, very bright. I like that so much more than this. This is super dull, not even bright. In person, you can definitely tell a lot more, in my opinion. This one just doesn't even look as shiny as this guy. I don't know if you guys can tell on video, but yeah, overall, I am very happy with the looks there. So, very, very cool. Nice.